Ministry of Roads and Transport has introduced a bill aimed to curb railway infrastructure vandalism and promote safety in the sector. The bill proposes that any person who interferes with railway control systems shall be liable upon conviction to life imprisonment. Elsewhere, armed gangsters raided Amlight Resources Company Limited, a gold mining farm in Rarienda Sub-County in Siaya County, and took off with equipment worth millions of shillings. Collins Wekesa has more in our county news tonight.
Railway infrastructure vandals and interferers will now face life imprisonment in the proposed railway bill. Speaking in Nanyuki during the Railway Bill 2024 public participation, Railway Safety Engineer Jonathan Kilelo said that the bill will ensure the railway transport sector is in compliance with the regional and international conventions on the economic, safety and environmental sustainability.
Vyema tubadilishe sheria yetu ile itufae kwa wakati wa sasa, kwa sababu sasa globally worldwide watu wameendelea zaidi kutushinda kwa hii idara ya reli. Sheria zimewekwa na international conventions, kwa sababu ile ya kitambo hizo convention hazikuwa, sasa tuko nazo sasa.
And in Siaya County, armed gangsters raided Amlight gold mining farm in Rarieda and took off with equipment worth millions of shillings. The company's lawyer Dunstan Omari said that a court order stopped mining activities in the area, but invaders have dug tunnels into the client's land and were carrying out their activities illegally. The company's director Amos Mabonga says this is the 5th attack on his premises and no action has been taken on previous attacks, despite those involved being positively identified.
Some equipment zimeibiwa. Imeibiwa mali ya pesa mingi. So na hii ndio ini attack ya mara ya 5, because the first one will happen on January 25th. Ikasababisha vifo za watu wawili. As you speak, hiyo kesi haijafika kotini. File iko bado kwa DPP.
Building and construction engineering students in Kirinyaga County have benefited from internship and attachment opportunities in the Gishugu affordable housing projects in the county. Mercy Naleaka, a beneficiary of the program, noted that the program has equipped the students with the practical skills in their area of expertise.
Nafanya bachelor's degree in building construction. So, hii project imenisaidia sana ku learn about the practical aspect here. Nime learn a lot of things. The stakeholders who wako polite enough to teach us what we have not learned in class. About learning the practical aspects, nime learn about be it masonry, carpentry work, everything that goes on around huku kwa site nimeelewa. So it itanisaidia, imeform a good base for my career, yeah.
And approximately 50 girls in Kilifi County who have faced challenges due to unemployment and early pregnancies have now found relief after securing jobs at an export processing zone company in Mombasa.
Kwa majina naitwa Sara Mweni, mimi ni mkazi wa Malindi, ni single mom, ni kijana lakini single mom pia. So tunataka kumshukuru Rashid Odambo kwa hiyo opportunity yenye ametupatia. Tunasema ni asante. Itatupeleka long way kwa sababu like huku nje kuna changamoto nyingi sana. Mwanzo ukiwa una kazi, wewe ni mzazi, unategemewa kila mahali wazeni. Ni furaha sana wazee tumepata hiyo opportunity, na kama kuna mtu huko nje mwenye angependa, opportunity bado ziko, ni utafute.
Collins Wekesa, KUTV.